Mold really brings out the saltiness. I love you too, Mr. Butterfly.
Called it.
Bagel! You get out of that butterfly right now, mister!
Oh, man.
Way to go, Becky! I knew you could. Oop.
I cannot believe how gross you are.
Hold on!
Better lower the landing gear.
Guys, I think I'm gonna...
And I just said totes, so I guess that means I'm totes cool too. Yeah, we gotta deactivate this thing.
New babysitting bots? I command you to destroy the old babysitting. Maybe we try something else.
He has no idea I've given him an impossible task. Bagel? Bagel, you've gone too crazy!
Mommy? Whoopsie. I'm Chewy. I'm Chewy. 90 decibels? Like fantastic!
Hey, Bagel!
Hey, Becky! Be with you as soon as I put out a forest fire in Paraguay! There we go! I know what you're gonna say, so I'll just say it for you. Another sleepover? Yay! Celebration burp!
Bagel, that's it.
See, Becky? I told you a comically oversized...
A giant pancake? That's my 17th biggest fear! Hey, baby!
The perfect stink.
I love you both so much.
Interesting aftertaste.
Cough! 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 Hey, Percy, a little help?
Yeah, I'm good with lending non-spitty moral support from here.
Aw, it's so cute! But you gotta make your own hairballs.
Well, this looks fun.
All right, teams. Time to regurgitate!
On the 804,690.
I know what'll cheer you kids up. More fruitcake pancakes.
I'm not yet.
I'm gonna be sick.
Not so jolly now, are you?
Ha!
Oh!